The Bande Mataram has been made mandatory in all schools across West Bengal. The order applies to all state-run schools. It also applies to government-aided schools. The decision has been issued by the School Education Department. According to the directive, the song must be sung during the morning assembly. It will be performed after the national anthem. It will be a daily practice. Schools have been instructed to ensure full compliance. The new rule replaces the earlier practice in many schools. Students used to sing Rabindranath Tagore's Banglar Mati Banglar Chol. The tradition has now been changed under the new guidelines. Officials said the updated rule aims to standardize morning assemblies across the state. The directive states that Bande Mataram must be sung compulsorily. It must be included before classes begin each day. The instruction has been sent to education officials. Headmasters have also been informed. A formal notification is expected soon. The government has said the move is meant to strengthen national integration. It also aims to promote respect for national symbols. Officials said schools play an important role in shaping civic values. They added that assemblies are a key part of daily discipline. The order has already come into effect from May 13, 2026. Schools have been asked to implement it immediately. Authorities will monitor compliance through district education officers. Reports may be collected from schools regularly. The decision has also sparked political discussion. Supporters say it promotes unity and national pride. They believe it connects students with India's historical heritage. They also say it encourages the discipline in school. Critics, however, have raised concerns. They argue that cultural tradition in Bengal should be respected. They point to the long-standing use of Tagore's composition in school assemblies. Some say the change may lead to debate over identity and culture. Officials have clarified that the directive is administrative. They said it is not intended to replace cultural heritage. They added that the focus is on uniformity in school practices. Education authorities have instructed schools to maintain discipline during assemblies. Students must stand during the national anthem and the song. Proper conduct is expected from all participants. The government may issue further guidelines if needed. For now, schools have been told to follow the order strictly. The change marks a notable shift in school assembly practice in West Bengal. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.